Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to download Duolingo app on your Android device. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Play Store app, and once you open it, on the search bar simply type in Duolingo. Once you type this in, you will end up in this page where you need to select Duolingo language lessons and hit on the install button. After you tap on the install button, your app will start to get downloaded on your device. So once the app is downloaded, the installation process will also take place. So after this is completed, the app will completely be installed in your device as well, and you can enjoy your Duolingo app on your Android device. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.